Oh wait, y'all can see me. Ah! Look at it. All its gloriness. Boy, I gotta sneeze. What's going on, you guys, and welcome back. As you just seen, I just picked up this beauty right here. Let's get this out of the light. It is a 1980 Fox body. I think it was originally a 4-cylinder or 6. I don't know. I don't know if it's a GT. I didn't ask Dover too much about it. But this right here will be my new drag car. So soon as that right over gets sold, I'm planning on picking up an F-250 and turning this to almost like a full-blown race car, but not race car, you know, like not the one-piece front end and full-blown interior cutout cage. And nah, you know, I'm still trying to street and track it, but mostly just for the track. So let's look at it real quick. The car is actually in a very mint condition, as in body wise. There's no dents or dings in it, except for like the bumper right here. It's got a little dip in it, but you know, that could be replaced. The taillights are straight, but like I said, you know, it is a smooth body. It just needs some paint. That's about it. And the first thing I'm gonna change is this ugly front bumper. I can't stand it. So I'm probably gonna pick up a, I think it's 85 to 86 front bumper, kind of like Corey's got. You just probably seen on Ken's channel a lot, the other 4Eyes car. And I really enjoy the 4Eyes cars. I think they're more popular and unique than the 87 to 93. Not mistaken, I'm not a Fox body guy, so I'm still learning my Fox bodies. But I like these more. My uncle had 2 of them growing up as kids. And I remember waking up and they were just hitting a lick out there. So the car currently don't have anything inside of it, so I do plan on stripping it out and getting it ready for whatever motor I throw in here. Ken has a 4.6 T45 trans that he's said I can pick up first, so I might do that. But the car is originally a auto car, so let's open it up. So I'm probably gonna stick with the auto. Then again, I don't know. But the inside of the car is not too bad. I hate this funky red interior. I don't know how this seat goes back. Huh. So yeah, it's not, you know, not too bad. Let me start this out. Oh yeah. Let me get my box. Let me get my box real quick. Now, I did pick this car up from Dover. I traded some stuff out for him. All the manifold, thought about it, and all that good stuff. And it did come with this. First mod of the car will be a UPR K Member, chrome moly with Viking springs. I think these are 14 by 175, yeah. It does have the A-arms. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it does have the A-arms to it. With, I think these are for the sway bar, but we're not running no sway bar in front of it. And what are these? I think these are the, yeah, them are the coilover sleeves. It's not too bad. Now, he did throw in these bushings, which I think they came with it. I don't really know. I think the red are the race, and the black are like the street versions. But you know Phil Roy. Phil Roy's gonna put these red ones in there and just send it. So yeah, that's about it. And I do plan on converting over to 5-lug. I have been looking at kits for that, and I'm planning on getting the UPR Casper camber plates, the Flaming River manual steering rack, and the rear. It's all gonna be UPR products. Well, the rear is gonna be the anti-sway bar or anti-roll, whichever one you want to call it. So that is the plan for the car. I did go ahead and name the car Mean Bean, which I do like. I think it's kind of funny. But Ken thinks I should name it Shady 80 because it is gray and it is made in the 80s. So that does rhyme, Shady 80. So if y'all guys like Mean Bean or Shady 80, just comment below which one you guys think would be better, Mean Bean or Shady 80. If you pick Mean Bean, I give you some. How about high fives? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some of this stuff off. Just trying to get it, you know, a little bit more neater, but I don't think none of this stuff we're gonna reuse, especially the battery box, all this, you know, it's gonna be a race car. I'm gonna see about the heater hose, if I can pull everything out of the dash and just kind of like, you know, tuck it or just shave it off, make it somewhat cleaner, or try to get some rubber grommets. Don't quite know yet, but I know for sure that we're not gonna use none of this stuff here. Now I just gotta figure out how the hell this shit comes up. Then again, it probably just stays in the car, who knows. And sorry, it's kind of hot inside here. You know, Tennessee weather. Get you baking, baby. So I went ahead and took the motor off, the battery box. Now this cover I'm gonna put back on it. But for some reason, I don't know how to get this little panel off. Like I looked and I looked, and I see like one screw here, you know, screws there, but that's got to be more than that. I'm just trying to get this off. So I'm probably gonna do some good old internet research, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if this gotta do anything with it. I don't know. I never worked on a Fox like this before, you guys. So I'm probably gonna put that in. So if I put that in, then I'm gonna need a manual rack. Then I'm gonna get some 5-load conversion. Now I went ahead and removed the horn and the fluid reservoir. Now I'm going to attempt to take the K Member out of this one. So I went ahead and removed the struts from the strut tower, and by gone it, they scared the living piss out of me. I wasn't expecting them to fall, and they fall, and it looked like I just broke a brake line. Well, which is fine. All this is getting upgraded. I'm gonna convert to a 5-lug instead of 4. All this is gonna be brand new. What's going on, you guys, and welcome back. It is the second day of removing the K Member. As you guys can see, I have not got anywhere on it since yesterday. I just called it a quits, but today we're gonna go ahead and take care of it. All right, so all the bolts are out of the K Member, so hopefully it'll slide out. So it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's living on the edge. Look. Oh, I cut half. Well, hell, it didn't do nothing. Hey, I figured the damn thing would fall. Hold up. That thing weighs like a, that thing weighs as much as a little small baby gorilla. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Stupid baby gorilla. I'm telling you. And I'm trying to manhandle this thing too. Yeah. I got it. It's like wrestling a small baby gorilla. I'm telling you. That thing is super heavy. That thing probably weighs, I don't know, 60 pounds. I don't know. Now here's the UPR K Member chrome moly. It's for a modular motor, so that going ahead gives you a hint of what I'm going to throw in here. Now I don't have the instructions to this, which you know us rednecks. Off my freaking finger. I was saying, you know us rednecks, we got to have instructions. I ain't got no instructions, so I mean it's not rocket science, but I still like my instructions, even though I can't read. You know, Philroy. Damn, it's hot. You know, it's Philroy. We can't read. Now, yeah, see, when I say us, there's 3 of us, but I'm the better looking one, so the other 2 don't count, all right? So I'm going ahead and reuse the factory bolts, and I guess these go like between them. I don't know, y'all. This is my first time, so I'm just going to wing it till I make it. You know what I'm saying? Just wing it till you make it. Like Ken always told me. If I need any help, I just call Ken. So in a few minutes, y'all guys will see it. I'm trying my best to show y'all, but it's only just me, and this will be easier than the other freaking baby gorilla right there. So. Now, what came with the kit, you know, was the bushings. The red are for like drag racing, and the black are like streets. You know, I'm just gonna stick the red in there. These go in the A-arms, but I'm not gonna put the A-arms on today because I don't have the special little grease that goes with it. But what's the rest of the box is UPR motor shims. Yeah, motor mount shims. Steering rack bolts, washer nuts. I think these are for the steering rack. I don't know. And it comes with the coilovers, and I have the Viking springs. These are 175. So all this isn't going to get put on, just that, because like I said, I don't have the grease for it, and I don't have the instructions. I need the instructions. Alright, as you guys just seen, I did tighten the K Member up. There's only 4 bolts holding it. I'm going to buy the UPR hardware kit, replace all of them. I don't like using the same bolts twice. So that's about as far as I can get, because I don't have the bolts for the UPR A members or the UPR A arms. And I'm going to have to take the spindles off the old subframe and reuse them. And everything else will be brand new calipers, new shocks. So that's about it for now. So this week I will order them so that I can go ahead and get you guys some more content. But so far I'm enjoying it. This is what I always wanted to do, was build my own project car again. I had one once before, sold it, so it's time for another one. And hopefully the Mustang will be sold here soon. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace.